Hey guys, on this episode of Give a Dog a Bone, Give a Cat a What? We're gonna be giving my cat eggs. You know why? Because you buy one carton of eggs, you give it to them. If they break it, you got 11 more toys. Think about how many times a cat breaks a toy. Now, you're born expected for this to happen, and you have 11 more. I thought it'd be a kind of a cool episode to do because I don't think I've ever seen a cat play with an egg to begin with. Bam, let's go. Let's do this. See if we can get her attracted to the egg. She looks like she's on the prowl. She wants the egg. How much do you want it? I like how it's just going in circles. That's pretty cool. Stand off. Company of a kitten all the time. What you gonna do? Eat it. She seems to think it's her own baby. Oh God, she's on to us. All right, she's now back on the prowl. Oh my God, they've made contact. What do you want me to do? Smash that egg. Just like that, but a little bit harder. No! What you gonna do with the egg, buddy? Another time! 4 times contact! Good job, Allie. I want you to destroy this egg so I can give you another one.
Idea for you.
What's that? Keep on going, mate. Their friend die. I'm out of there. It's almost like you prefer dust than you do an egg. That was a mean tap. Let's see if you can do it again.
Kira.
Oh. Way more. I still like. It's more afraid of you than you of it. Actually, apparently not. Dogs more, but.
I love cats. Get the egg.
Yes. As you can see here, the egg is slowly starting to break. We've got a regular Humpty Dumpty on our hands. Now let's see if we can finish the job. Do you have the skills? And she's done it! I'm just here to watch. I think I start to scare her when I start commentating. So I'm gonna do it a little bit softer now, eh? Finish it off.
Where's the cat live? Kira's outside.
Oh yeah, it's right there. Oh my God. Yes. Now shall we make an omelet? So now from here, we're not gonna just let this beautiful egg go to waste. We're gonna bring it on over towards the stovetop. We're gonna see what kind of concoction we can make out of it. Let's see what kind of rations we can get off the ground. Here we go. See if we can get everything in here. Alright, see it. As you see, we lost most of the egg, but this egg served 2 purposes: as a kitten toy and food. I think I have to eat it now, don't I?
Do
I have to eat it. So when making an omelet, you must discard of the shells. or anything. Just gonna make a little tiny egg chunk and then I'm gonna toss it in my mouth. Hopefully I don't die. This is your conscious. If you made it this far, please comment omelet. Omelet. Alright. So it's not quite the omelet I was looking for, but we got a nice little slice of egg right here. The most beautiful egg slice I've ever seen in my life. Still a little shell in there. Adds a little crunch to the taste. Oh no. Probably a better egg than straight from the fridge.